The world is full of wonders, but some places are stranger than anything you could imagine. Places where nature seems to bend its own rules, where human history and mystery collide, and where what you see might not be the full story. From frozen waterfalls that bleed like living wounds, to rivers that glow with impossible colors, to forests where shadows seem alive. These are the 15 strangest places on Earth, each holding secrets that will leave you questioning reality itself. Are you ready to step into the unknown? Number 1. Blood Falls. The day the Earth began to bleed. Deep in the frozen wastelands of Antarctica lies a waterfall that doesn't just flow, it bleeds. Crimson water pours from a glacier, staining the pure white ice like a wound carved by some unseen hand. At first glance, it seems impossible, as if the Earth itself is alive and in pain. Scientists have studied it for decades. The red color comes from iron-rich water, trapped beneath the glacier for millions of years, turning crimson as it meets the air. But the water's secret goes far deeper. Within this ancient brine, microorganisms survive without sunlight, without oxygen, in complete isolation, life thriving where it should not exist. Some scientists whisper that these microbes are more than survivalists. They are relics of a hidden world, untouched by time, a glimpse at life as it once was, or life as it might be somewhere else in the cosmos. Standing before Blood Falls, the silence is deafening. The Antarctic wind screams across the ice, carrying an almost tangible sense of warning. The waterfall's red streak glimmers in the pale sun, a stark contrast against the endless whiteness, mesmerizing and horrifying all at once. And yet there is something else, a feeling that the glacier is watching, that the land itself knows you are here, that some secrets should never be uncovered. What lurks beneath this frozen scar? Is it merely chemistry, or is this the trace of a life form that refuses to be forgotten? Blood Falls reminds us that our planet is older, stranger, and far more mysterious than we dare imagine, and that some places hold truths the world is not yet ready to face. Number 2. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. In the heart of the Karakum Desert, a circle of fire burns endlessly, a crater that has been alight for over half a century. Known as the Door to Hell, this inferno was born from a failed Soviet drilling operation in the 1970s, when geologists accidentally punctured a cavern of natural gas. To prevent the toxic gases from spreading, they set it ablaze, expecting it to burn out in days. Yet decades later, the flames still roar, a relentless orange and red beacon against the barren desert, visible from miles away. Approaching the edge, the heat is suffocating even from a distance, and the wind carries the smell of sulfur and ash. The ground trembles faintly as if the earth beneath is alive, breathing in rhythm with the roaring inferno. Scientists are drawn here, not only to study the fire, but to wonder about the mysteries hidden in the depths. How deep does the cavern go? What unseen forces keep it burning? Locals speak of the door to hell in hushed tones, warning outsiders that some fires are never meant to be tamed. From above, the crater looks like a yawning mouth, devouring the desert around it. At night, the flames twist and writhe, casting flickering shadows that seem to dance with a life of their own. It is a place both terrifying and mesmerizing, a stark reminder of humanity's attempts to control nature and nature's refusal to be contained. Standing on the edge, you can't help but wonder, what lurks in the darkness below, feeding the fire that refuses to die? Number 3. The Catacombs of Paris. Beneath the bustling streets of Paris lies a shadowy labyrinth of tunnels, stretching for hundreds of kilometers, where the bones of millions are stacked with eerie precision. This is no ordinary cemetery. It is a city of the dead, meticulously organized, each femur and skull arranged as though by a meticulous, invisible hand. The air is heavy and damp, carrying the faint scent of earth and age, and the silence is broken only by the echo of your footsteps, or perhaps something else moving in the dark. Originally created in the 18th century to solve the city's overflowing graveyards, the catacombs became a macabre monument to mortality. Some bones are arranged in patterns resembling arches, walls, and even cryptic symbols. As you descend deeper, the tunnels twist and fork, creating a sense of endlessness, a maze that could swallow the unwary. Light from a flickering lantern casts shadows that seem alive, hinting at secrets hidden in the darkness. Yet there's more than just history here. Urban legends whisper of people who have become lost for days or never returned at all. Some claim the tunnels are haunted, that the very bones themselves watch intruders. Scientists, historians, and thrill seekers alike have explored these passages, but the catacombs refuse to surrender all their secrets. Every corridor, every chamber, is a reminder of the thin line between life and death, order and chaos, the known and the unknowable. Descending into the catacombs of Paris is like stepping into another world, one that is terrifying, hypnotic, and unforgettable. You realize that beneath the city of lights, an eternal shadow thrives, a hidden kingdom where the dead silently rule, and the living are merely intruders daring to glimpse the unknowable. Number 4. Lake Natron, Tanzania. In the remote corners of northern Tanzania lies a lake that seems more like a scene from a nightmare than reality. Its waters glow a strange, unnatural red and orange, shimmering under the harsh sun, a spectacle both beautiful and horrifying. But the true terror is revealed along the shores. Birds perfectly preserved, frozen in time, their bodies turned to stone, as if the lake itself has claimed them. The secret lies in the water itself. Lake Natron is highly alkaline, with a pH so extreme it burns the skin of any creature unlucky enough to touch it. The heat of the sun combined with the chemical composition calcifies the bodies, preserving them as eerie statues. For scientists, it is a rare natural laboratory, revealing the delicate and brutal balance of life and death. Yet for anyone standing on its shores, the scene is deeply unsettling, a silent testament to nature's merciless power. The lake seems alive in its own way. Flamingos, attracted to its mineral-rich waters, wade carefully through the shallows, their pink feathers stark against the reds and oranges, delicate and fleeting against the eternal stillness of the petrified victims nearby. The wind sweeps across the surface, carrying a sense of foreboding, as if the lake itself is warning. Respect the rules of life here, or join those who became timeless. Lake Natron is more than a natural wonder. It is a chilling reminder that beauty and danger often coexist, and that nature's most breathtaking landscapes can conceal secrets that defy comprehension. To witness it is to be captivated, terrified, and humbled all at once. Number 5. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Stretching across more than 10,000 square kilometers, Salar de Uyuni is the world's largest salt flat, a dazzling expanse of pure white that stretches to the horizon, so vast it feels like standing on another planet. When the rains arrive, the flat transforms into a colossal mirror, reflecting the sky with perfect clarity, creating illusions so surreal that it's almost impossible to tell where Earth ends and sky begins. Travelers step onto its surface and feel as if they are walking through infinity itself. The reflections can be disorienting. Clouds appear beneath your feet, mountains float in the air, and the sun's glare is blinding, leaving the landscape at once beautiful and alien. Yet beneath this stunning perfection lies a subtle eeriness, a quiet reminder that this vastness is both fragile and unforgiving. For centuries, Salar de Uyuni has been a source of mystery and wonder. Beneath its salt-crusted surface lie layers of lithium and minerals that fuel much of the modern world. But extracting them is a delicate dance with nature's extremes. And there are tales from locals and travelers alike of strange phenomena. Disorienting optical illusions, sudden fogs that appear out of nowhere, and reflections that seem almost sentient, shifting unnaturally when you least expect it. Standing on the mirror-like surface, you can't shake the feeling that you've stepped into a world where the rules of reality are suspended. Every ripple of water, every reflection of clouds, hints at a universe that is beautiful, infinite, and just slightly uncanny. Salar de Uyuni is not just a natural wonder. It's a reminder that the world is stranger than it seems, and that sometimes what you see might not be real at all.